2 a.m. I couldn't fall asleep again. Been overthinking all the little things I've said. I'm sleep deprived almost every night, and I wish that I wouldn't think instead. I know the sun is up and I got things to do, but I don't think I've got the energy to move. And I go back to my dreams again, but I shouldn't be sleeping when it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should make my way out. My home is daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get days up staying in the same bed. I need a kickstart just to change this. I don't wanna waste a minute on the basics, but it's keeping me feeling so amazing. So I'll go and stretch, brush my hair, always looking like a mess. Oh, and maybe I could go and do the rest. Give it a little more faith, I'll be set. And I hope that you'll miss it as it's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Day and night, never feeling my best, I know, oh well. But this time will not be the same. It's daylight now and I'm stuck in my bed. Daylight now and I'm stuck in my head, 'cause I've been stressing out all on my own when I should.
Good Saturday morning. As you saw, it's been a little bit slower. I mean, it's after 7 o'clock. I did work out and I had coffee and I just made breakfast. I'm having cocoa Wheaties. Not exactly something I want when it's warm, but it is very high in iron. I forgot about that, so I bought some. So I'm gonna have this for breakfast, and then as much as I don't really want to go out today, because it's very gloomy, I was gonna go for a walk this morning, but there's not really gonna be like a sunrise situation to do that for. But I do need to go to Food Lion. I gotta go pick up a couple grocery items for this upcoming week and some stuff that I need for today. So probably gonna run to Food Lion, looking grubby today, because when I get back, time frame, permit, excuse me, I wanna finish weed eating the front part of the driveway and then a little section in the back. I tried to weed eat earlier in the week. I took a PTO day because I had a massive headache. But when I got that under control and it was better, I did a little bit of yard work. My mower's supposed to be here today and he doesn't blow the driveway off, which I don't care for the price that I'm paying for him to at least mow the yard and to weed eat the areas around the house. So I want to get the driveway done, and then that way after he's come and left, because we're supposed to get rain this afternoon, I can go out and blow off the entire driveway once all of it's done. Then it'll look really nice. Then I'll probably shower. I have one other project I want to do. I'm not going to bring it up because if I don't end up physically getting to it, we're not going to worry about it today. So, but it is Saturday. I'm going to try to have a little bit of a chill day. So I'm gonna go ahead and eat my breakfast and finish this movie I started this morning.
My way out. Daylight now, gotta open my eyes. Daylight now, can't be wasting my time just thinking about what I should be thinking of. And it's about time that I get up.
I'm back. I think the only thing I bought that I didn't show when I was in the store was one of these Bolt House mocha cappuccino things. They have protein in them. Pretty good for afternoon cold coffee, I guess you can say. Let me move you a smidge. Okay. I'm gonna put all this stuff away. Man, I banged my shin on the cart when I was trying to pull it out to go into the store, and it's still like radiating that pain from banging it. I hate when that happens. Okay, it's a little after 9. I think I'm gonna head out and start weed eating. Just to kind of show you, I already did a lot of the driveway, but the cover came off before I could do like around this edging. And then I still need to weed eat this and all the way down the driveway, like the grass in the driveway. Showered. The mower's here right now, and I started lunch, so I have the rice going, and I'm gonna do the pot stickers in the air fryer here in a few minutes. But I'm just gonna take it easy for a little while, see what I want to do. Go ahead and do a load of laundry, just so that way after church or tomorrow I just got to do bed sheets. And because there's not like a ton of clothes this week, I'm gonna do towels with them and just do a single load, one and done. Try to take advantage of it when I can, because once winter hits and I'm wearing bulkier clothes, I'll pretty much always have to do a second load. So the project that I wanted to do is to get rid of this blue tape on the floor, but unfortunately re-gluing these tiles and trying to seal them with silicone caulk did not work. There's still a bunch of them that are lifting. The only solution that I have left at this point is I bought 2 of these crystal clear Gorilla tape, and I'm thinking I'm just gonna have to literally tape any of the lines where it's lifting so I can get the blue up, and at least this won't be visible. I know ideally the best thing to do would be to pull the tiles up and put fresh down and make sure it's really clean. I don't want to spend that kind of money. Honestly, you guys, I'm trying to get out of this house. I think I want to sell it and move at this point. I've kind of kept it under wraps, but this has been on my mind for a few years. So with everything that keeps happening in this house and for the age of it, I'm at a point where I'm like, it's time to move on, find a newer home that isn't going to cost me so much in repairs, because I feel like every time I turn around there's something going on or something breaking down, and it's getting costly, and it's a lot for me right now. So at this point I'm just trying to make it livable while I'm here. And honestly, I'm so tired of seeing the blue tape in my videos. It's not as obvious. I mean, yes, it's obvious, but I don't pay attention to it as much on my day-to-day, just myself walking in and out of here. But when I'm filming, it's in the videos, and I don't like it. So, like I said, I bought 2 rolls of this. This is the only thing I can think of. 1, super sticky. 2, it's waterproof and it's crystal clear. So I'm hoping it won't be obvious when I put it down. I'm still debating if I want to do this, if I have the energy, or whether I want the physical pain of being on the floor doing this. I'm sure it wouldn't take as long as caulking and gluing, because I'm just literally putting tape down. But I also want to make sure it's down well. I gotta clean, like, I probably need to clean the seams of the tiles with some spray and paper towel, and probably run a vacuum over this. just to make sure that when I put this tape down, there's not gonna be stuff stuck underneath it. But I know every time I get down on the floor to do this type of project, I end up paying for it for 2 days between my back and my legs hurting. So I'm debating that project situation. We'll see if I get to this. It's only like 2 o'clock, 20 minutes to 2. So we'll see. If I do it, I want to get it done earlier. I started that load of laundry. It's supposed to start raining, I think, at 4. So I'll probably go pick up dinner at some point around that. Probably gonna do Taco Bell. You know, it's my favorite, and I don't care what they're saying with this whole Taco Bell gave me diarrhea situation. I got Taco Bell last weekend and I had absolutely no problem. But this is why we pray over our food. So yeah, I'll catch up with you in a little bit after I take one more break with the dog. I'm waiting for the washer to shut off so I can transfer it. I did run a vacuum through here real quick. I'm gonna turn the overhead light on when I go to do this because I gotta spray and clean as I go. So I already did a little bit of some of this area like over here because it was dirty. But I think what I'm gonna do is start over here by the stove, take care of those 4 over there that are bad, peel up the tape, and then I wanna do this entire strip, one end to the other, as a single piece if possible. So I think I'll do that second, and then we'll work through this area.
She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something.
So I know this is that long strip. These ones are just, it's like they're rippling or something. So I need to clean these up before I tape them and then try and press them down the best I can. So I'm gonna start by cleaning this spot.
You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. You see her walking down the boulevard. She got the posture of a superstar. She looks so.
I hope I'm not making a mistake, but I guess we'll find out. I think what I'll do this way though, if I want to mop, I can mop. Okay, I think we're gonna seam tape this one, and then this. I don't think these ones are as bad.
In those Gucci slides, yeah, I wonder what she hides under her disguise, yeah. And all the girls around the world, they wanna be her.
You guys tell me, isn't that better than the blue tape on the floor? If I made a mistake, don't tell me. I don't want to know. I'm doing the best I can here.
Just trying to score like it's fever. She lives a double life, puts on a show. What's under this subtle smile? We'll never know. She's a Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her.
Once again, yeah, it gives a little shine, but you know what? It's a lot less obvious than the blue tape. Okay, it's turning into one of those projects where I'm gonna sweat a lot. Like I said, I'm gonna stop recording here and just do so I can get it done because I want it done before the rain starts so I can take the dog out again. So I'm just gonna clean and tape and work my way that out. All done. I'm just so happy to not have the blue tape on the floor. I know that occasionally the tape that I put down, you can see like a glare from it in certain lights, like right there you can see where I taped, but overall it looks better and it's holding down these pieces that were like rippled upwards, so it's less of a tripping hazard, which was the biggest reason I was concerned with it. So overall I'm happy with it, so we're gonna go with that now, as long as it holds up. But I only used 1 roll of tape and I bought 2, so I guess if it starts to have issues I can do it again. I did tape that line and this line here because again, these tiles shifted and so they're like rippled and they're not flush like they're supposed to be on top of each other. And I catch that with the vacuum all the time. And I'm officially a hot mess. Like, I am literally dripping sweat. That's why I was putting this off, and I probably shouldn't have done it after I showered today. But I'm gonna take a break, cool off, give my back a little bit of a break, probably step out, make a phone call, let the doggy go to the bathroom, and then we'll think about food around 4:30ish. I like to go get it early and eat earlier because I'm usually so full it's gonna last me through the rest of the night.
There must be something that it features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her.
I'm gonna eat. I know I normally end at dinner time, but I'm not because I still need to fold laundry once that shuts off. So I will film that, and that'll probably be the end of this. So I'm gonna thank you for watching, and I hope everybody has a blessed day.
Mona Lisa. Everyone's lining up to see her. There must be something that it features. You'll find her beauty goes much deeper once you get to meet her. Let me paint a picture. I see they don't understand. Feeling like Picasso. She brushing against my hands. Seen you from a